Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet red bean soup only way. Start by rinsing and soaking Azuki beans for several hours to soften them. Drain and simmer gently with fresh water until beans are tender and skins split, about an hour. Skim foam, then add rock sugar and stir until dissolved. Finish with a light simmer to meld flavors, then serve warm in bowls for a cozy dessert. In this video, I will explain how to make sweet red bean soup, only way. After soaking, place beans in a pot with water and bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to a low simmer. Maintain a slow bubble and check softness every 15 minutes to avoid overcooking. Skim off froth early and add sugar only after beans are fully tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and achieve a silky texture. In this video, I will review how to make sweet red bean soup only way. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for cleaning crumbs and spills after cooking, with voice control to start while you relax. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make sweet red bean soup only way. Once beans are soft, dissolve rock sugar into the pot and taste as you go to balance sweetness. For contrast, add a splash of coconut milk or a few sliced matcha pieces when serving. Let the soup rest a bit off heat to thicken slightly, then ladle into bowls for guests or family and enjoy warm comfort with simple garnishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.